So remember yesterday when we were looking at the text features and how they help us learn more information about our text?
Yeah.
So today we're going to be focusing on our pictures. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through your book. I want you to just do the first 15 pages. And we're going to look at the pictures, and you're going to write down 5 different things that you learned from the pictures. So looking at this book about turtles, I noticed that all of these turtles have different shells. I also noticed that these turtles have some of them have pretty pointy snouts on their faces. So I want you guys to go through and tell me some of the things you notice about your pictures.
You got it.
Back to page 1.
You done?
Yep.
Okay. So now that you've written what some of the things you've learned about just through the pictures, I want you to go through and I want you to read the text on those first 15 pages.
Okay.
And think about things you learned in the pictures and what else you learned from reading the text.
Okay.
What does the text tell you about those pictures?
Okay. Just the first 15 pages?
Yes. Did you read your 15 pages?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's wait for your
Oh, waiting for
You done?
1 second. Sorry. It's a disability. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So now that you guys have read those pages and looked at those pictures, I want you guys to write a summary about those 15 pages that you wrote. Summarize what you read. And I want you to add things in your summary about things you learned in the pictures and the things you read about. So I want you to connect them in your summary.
Okay.
How long should this be?
3 to 5 sentences.
Oh, okay.
want you to include 2 of the things you learned from the pictures.
Mm.
Make sure you guys have the correct punctuation and you're putting periods at the ends of your sentences.
I hope I am.
Okay.
Am I?
I'm just remembering what you do.
Okay. Well targeted.
Do you guys want to share? One of you want to share what you wrote?
I think Shirley wants to share.
I'll share. So, the boreal forest is in the far north, and the boreal means northern. The boreal forest forms nearly an unbroken belt across North America, Europe, and Asia. That was one of the things I learned. And the belt is just mainly like all the trees, and it's like a big green forested belt. The forest mostly consists of conifer trees. These are trees that make cones, such as spruce, pine, and fir trees. It's another thing I learned from the pictures and the context. Summer in the boreal forest is cool and pleasant, but only lasts 3 to 4 months. But the days are long and bright, unlike the winter, where it lasts the rest of the time, the 9 months. And those days are dark and usually filled with lots of snow.
Good job. That was a very long summary.
That was beautiful.
So, did it help you to connect the text and the pictures together to better understand what you were reading?
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. So, we need to make sure when we're reading our informational books that we are looking at the pictures and looking at the text and connecting what they're saying to learn more information about what we are reading.